Welcome to Young Sunrise Baking. Looking for the best-selling baking tools for your business? Our silicone cake molds are the perfect solution. Made of 100% food-grade silicone, they're completely non-toxic, odorless and BPA-free, ensuring the safest and healthiest choice for baking. There's no chemical coating. The built-in non-stick surface lets your cakes release effortlessly, leaving you with perfect results every time. The highly flexible material and one-piece seamless design result in incredibly durable molds. You can twist and fold them with confidence. They will always bounce back to their original shapes, without any deformation. With a wide temperature range, they're oven, microwave, freezer, and dishwasher safe. Look at these silicone donut molds. They're also perfect for mini cake, jelly, chocolate, or even pan candle. The possibilities are endless. This is just one of our many reliable silicone molds. We also support custom color and logo to match your brand. Contact us today for our full catalog.